Hi guys, so I am going to show you how to find the Bitmoji Locker assignment. So if you go down to our unit 1, click on that. Click on the week here. And you're going to go to day 1 and 2. And then you're going to click on Bitmoji Locker assignment. And you'll have to click on the link that's in here. And that will take you to kind of a Bitmoji page that I've made. You'll need to read the welcome there, the intro, and then we're going to be solving a problem. Okay, that's our goal for the day. Your criteria of what you need for your Bitmoji Locker is going to be right here, and then you can go over here to click where you create your Bitmoji Locker. So click the bluish turquoise, and it's going to take you to a link. Okay. You can do a lot of different stuff with this, like make it your own, guys. If you don't have a Bitmoji, just throw a picture of yourself in there. I am totally fine with that. When you're done, you can click and you can share this link and you can upload it to Schoology so I know that you are done with it. Okay, so that is how you find it. Then when you go back, you have a Bitmoji Locker reflection question. So you're going to be clicking on that. And you'll need to open it. And you'll be writing this in your notebooks, guys. So you do need a notebook for my class. You'll be answering these 3 questions in your notebook. It says to label the top of the notebook page with Bitmoji Locker Challenge Reflection. So make sure that when I am telling you to label stuff in your notebooks that you're doing it with me. And same thing with the notes video I'm going to make for you guys. If I'm writing it, I expect you guys to write it. So when it's written that you need to write in your notebook, and when I'm doing note taking virtually for you guys, or even in class, that's you guys need to be writing as well. Okay, so that's the Bitmoji Locker Challenge Reflection, and that would be the whole Bitmoji Locker assignment. So the Bitmoji Locker, you're gonna upload to that assignment page. So this one right here, you'll upload that link. And then you'll also answer the reflection questions for that Bitmoji Locker assignment.